Build professional web portfolios. Tutorial pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think building a web portfolio is just about picking a template. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects tutorial depth, design customization, responsive layouts, and practical project guidance. Entry-level tutorials usually cover basic HTML, CSS, and simple template-based layouts. Beginners can create a simple portfolio, but customization and interactivity remain limited. Mid-tier tutorials include responsive design, advanced CSS, JavaScript interactivity, and real-world project examples. Students can build professional-looking portfolios that adapt to any device, ideal for freelancers or job seekers. Premium tutorials offer advanced features like animations, CAMS integration, SEO optimization, and full project walkthroughs. These courses are perfect for developers wanting a polished, professional portfolio to showcase to clients or employers. Most people get this wrong by focusing solely on price. The true value lies in gaining practical skills, building a professional-ready portfolio, and learning best practices that save time in future projects. In conclusion, web portfolio tutorial pricing reflects the level of practical guidance, customization, and real-world applicability. Picking the right tutorial ensures you create a standout portfolio that demonstrates your skills and maximizes the value of your investment.